Welcome to another exciting tour of a Japanese tiny house that perfectly blends tradition, minimalism, and smart functionality. At first glance, the exterior of this Japanese tiny house is highlighted by its simple yet elegant slanted roof with two sides, giving it both character and a sense of balance that reflects Japanese design principle. Stepping inside this Japanese tiny house, you are immediately greeted by a bright and open first floor. The ground level has been designed with a spacious open layout that feels much larger than it actually is. Right at the center, there is a compact mini pantry table that serves as a practical and stylish feature because this Japanese tiny house minimizes the use of bulky furniture. The open floor area can easily be adapted for different activities, whether it's for dining, working, relaxing, or even entertaining a few guests. One of the most impressive elements of this Japanese tiny house is the clever use of vertical space. Above the bathroom and toilet area, a cozy loft bed is tucked in, providing a comfortable sleeping space without compromising the openness of the first floor. This efficient loft placement is a hallmark of smart design is in a Japanese tiny house, proving that even small space can offer comfort and privacy. Natural light is another important aspect of this design. Multiple windows openings throughout the first floor allow sunlight to stream in, making the interior feel warm, airy, and refreshing. These generous openings connect the interior of the Japanese tiny house with the outside environment, reinforcing the harmony with nature that is often found in Japanese style living. The Japanese tiny house is not just about compact living, it's about flexible, purposeful living with its slanted roof, open floor plan, loft bed, and adaptable space. It redefines how a small home can provide both comfort and functionality while staying true to Japanese aesthetics. If you are ever wonder how a Japanese tiny house can maximize every corner with style and simplicity, this design is the perfect example.